Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert sun symbol in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, open your Apple Keynote software. Then open your Keynote presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. And go to the shape menu. And you can see here are many category on the shape. Now go symbol, and you can see here are many symbol. Now I am search my sun symbol. Now scroll down and search the sun symbol and brightness. Now we can see this is sun symbol. Now I'm click the sun symbol, and in case the sun symbol, you can increase or decrease this, move here, etc. Now go to the third slide and again go to the shape menu and insert the sun symbol. And select the symbol, and you can easily change the color and more color. Here are many color, custom color, etc. Now we can click that color field drop down menu. You can choose gradient fill, image fill, etc. Now select gradient fill. Now you can see add certain symbol very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.